Average U.S. gas prices rose to an all-time high of $4.104 per gallon Monday, fuel data platform GasBuddy reported, as Russia's invasion of Ukraine spread chaos throughout energy markets and drove prices up by a record-setting 49.1 cents per gallon over just 7 days. The cost of crude oil up to $119.75 per barrel Monday, up about 59% year-to-date, after Secretary of State Antony Blinken announced Sunday the U.S. was considering a ban on Russian oil imports, marking a shift from the Biden administration's earlier hesitancy to implement such a ban. The energy sector has largely been excluded from the sanctions imposed on Russia by Western countries in recent weeks, but because Russia depends on fuel revenue for more than a third of its federal budget, sanctions limiting its ability to export oil and gas to the West could have a dramatic impact. Though the U.S. only gets about 3.5% of its oil from Russia, a U.S. ban would have symbolic significance, Rabobank energy analyst Ryan Fitzmaurice told CNN, further signaling Russia's economic exclusion by much of the world. European Union leaders have debated whether to ban Russian oil, a more-than-symbolic gesture, as the EU relies on Russia for about 27% of its crude oil. In January, the White House announced it was seeking alternate fuel sources for Europe, anticipating a scenario in which Russian fuel exports would be cut off. The recent spike follows a steady months-long trend of rising oil prices, as demand increases following the COVID-19 pandemic. Elevated prices will likely recover over months rather than weeks as they did in 2008, putting Americans in a dire situation, said Patrick De Haan, GasBuddy's head of petroleum analysis, in a statement. GasBuddy predicted that the mayhem unleashed by Russia's invasion of Ukraine would be compounded by more typical factors such as increased seasonal demand for gas, possibly driving the national average price to a new all-time high over $4.25 per gallon by Memorial Day. This is a milestone that was. As Russia's war on Ukraine continues to evolve and we head into a season where gas prices typically increase, Americans should prepare to pay more for gas than they ever have before. The Midwest and South Central U.S. were not as severely impacted by rising gas prices. Average regular gas prices Monday hit a relatively moderate $3.63 per gallon in Missouri, $3.65 in Oklahoma, $3.68 in Kansas, $3.69 in Arkansas and $3.70 in South Dakota, AAA reported. Gas prices suddenly spiked to 10-year high after Russia's nuclear plant attack. Experts warn surge will only